People love noticing things, and more so in the case of shoes. Getting embarrassed because of a dirty pair of shoes is the last thing you might expect to happen to you on any given day. But it is possible nonetheless. As a solution to that, you might think about getting a pair of shoe covers. But how do you choose? Which is the best shoe cover for you, and what should you be looking for when shopping? If you are buying shoe covers for the first time, the decision is even more important since it'll define your experience and will also have an impact on the final utility you get. There are 4 factors you should keep in mind: size, use, type, material, intended use, required traits. Each of these factors plays a different role in determining whether you have the right pair or not. There are many shoes that provide exceptional utility and safety to the wearer, such as PPE work boots. However, they are expensive and difficult to replace. Shoes, on the other hand, are easy to replace, wash, and reuse. Not to mention, come at less than a fraction of the price. With silicone shoe covers, you get all the benefits of your shoe covers without having to deal with their negative aspects. There are shoe covers with extra grip, some offering just protection, some are windproof, and some offer all of these uses and more. Just make sure you conduct sufficient research before choosing which shoe cover to buy, or simply read our blog for more information on how to choose the best one.